Hi guys, today's video, I'm going to open all of these slimes one at a time. I think I will open this one.
Can I join the video?
Sure.
Guys, I'm joining the video. And this is the slime, guys. Oh, whoa.
We got these little fruits and we got these little foams. Wow. We're going to put all of these in.
It's gonna look so cool. Mix it all up. Guys, it kind of smells. Kind of.
You can literally see through it.
Woo!
Whoa. So cool.
That is so cool.
So
my hair. Okay, let's try something else. Watch
go!
This.
Found a watermelon and these are all of these squished.
You can see all the fruits.
Yeah.